for Python installation and fixing Python all issues. For confirmation, your machine is already installed Python or not. You go search bar and type cmd, type Python space /version, enter. Yeah, Python was not found. That means Python is not installed on this PC, your desktop or laptop. However, to close this terminal and open your favorite any browser and type Python and enter. Here is the first link, Python organization. What time you should follow official website for safety. Open this website and click this download button, and here is the download the latest version for Windows. Download Python install manager. This is very latest feature. So click download Python install manager. Here download is start. Download complete. Open your download folder. Select right button, click open or double click. Here is the Python install manager. No need to change any settings. Click install Python. And here is the add command directory. Type yes and enter. And again install Python. CPython, yes. It's need. Sy and enter. It's installation. I view online help. No. Enter. Yes, my Python installation is complete. For extra safety, again you go your Windows search bar, then type Python. And here is my latest Python version 3.4. However, you show this version or upper or lower, no problem. Just you say Python. Then go right button click and click open file location. Again select and right button click open file location. You simply click your top address bar and right button click copy. Then again you go search bar, type environment, edit the system environment variable control panel. And open this. Here is your system properties and click this environment variable. And here is the variable environment. Click path, click edit. If though is already added your Python path. However, for extra safety, I paste this path location. Click new and paste your path location. Then okay. Now again check cmd UI using Python yeah, showing my Python version. This version upper or lower, no problem. If showing any version, means you successfully install Python. First work is done. Okay, now open your VS and click file and click open folder. I select desktop, then this new folder, and my folder name is Python code. And select this folder and select folder. Okay, my folder create done. Then now for best performance, I need two extensions. You click this extension button and search Python. Here the Python from Microsoft. Click install. Install done. Second, now need code runner. Yeah, dot run code runner. Install this extension. Yes, installation done. All is good. Now click your project folder and click this new file icon, and you can type any name like hello.py. Basic code print hello world. This is basic code hello world. Then click this arrow button and run code. Here hello world. It's successfully run, but when you try any user input, it will show error. So check. Like example, name input interview name. Like this is example code and print usernames. Okay, then save and again I run. Here enter your name, but when I try to input my name, it's not work. Let's fix this issue. You click your vscode setting and you go settings and you type code run. See one list, you scroll down and you find this option code runner, run in terminal. Check. You can also check these two options. When you run your project, it's automatically save and run. Now I again test, click this arrow bar and run code. Yeah, now show your name, like example my name Raj. Enter. Yes, this is working. So that's it. If you feel this video is helpful, you can share your opinion by comments. And if you are new user, you can subscribe my channel. So thank you. Stay with me. I will upload regularly new video.